Introducing the SOLS Pro Series. Pro Solar Sign Light, the ultimate solution for illuminating signs, billboards, and outdoor displays, with zero wiring required. Choose from two sizes, 2-foot at 5 watts delivering 850 lumens, or the 4-foot model at 10 watts, pushing out 1700 lumens. Both deliver crisp 5000 K daylight white color temperature with an incredible 170 lumens per watt efficiency. The universal mounting system allows fast and flexible installation with ease. With the included remote, you can easily adjust brightness, switch the power on or off, and set timers. Use auto mode for up to 12 hours or pick from 3, 5, or 8 hours of operation. Reliable and efficient. Get up to 36 hours of usage on a single charge. The SOLS Pro Series isn't just another solar light. It's a professional-grade, maintenance-free solution, combining smart control, universal mounting, and superior performance to keep your signage shining bright all night long. For more information, scan the QR code on screen or visit westgatemfg.com and search SOLS-Pro. Westgate Manufacturing. The future is here, and it's quite bright.